4th of July, everybody. We're about to do fireworks. We just had to get together with our friends. Yeah, they already left, so we bought a little fireworks here yesterday, and we're about to do it. So you can probably hear the fireworks going on in our neighborhood right now. Here's Christian. Here's fireworks that he got. Rex doesn't mind fireworks, so he's here with us. We got some cute little fireworks yesterday. Here's the first one that we're going to be doing. Frog prints. I don't know what it's that, but it looks like...
This is the one that you said looked magical.
So like an anime thing?
Oh yeah. You said it looks magical.
Okay. Then there is a small force. Hang on. Why would you put it in the middle? There might be people coming, no? It's up to you, babe. At least put one lane that they can get into. Duh. Oh shoot, Christian, hurry up. Don't kill yourself.
What the hell was that? He ran inside. He ran in.
I don't think.
It's okay, come here, boy. Come here, it's okay.
That's it.
Rex, where'd you go?
Oh. What is this, Christian?
You picked it.
That's definitely... Wow.
He was all about it. And then things started lighting up and he went like this.
That's definitely magical.
Yeah.
Buy $14. What the heck?
Hey, that's why I don't do it.
Okay, let's see. What is the frog prince gonna do? Careful, babe. Don't kill yourself. I think it's the same thing.
I don't know. We're about to find out.
Hoping it'll make like a frog noise.
Oh, its mouth lights up. Come over here.
Oh. I could have
See his
saved
face?
that to the last.
That would have scared the crap out of Rex.
I like that better. That's cool. Oh, okay.
I'm wondering if maybe...
Here's my father-in-law.
Aaron, this is supposed to be the big one.
It's called Force.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know. Is there like a thing that you have to remove?
No, you just light it and let it go.
Okay. We might want to move
They
then.
make these things pretty dummy proof, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I would probably stand back.
Yeah.
Maybe we gotta stand back behind the post or something.
Christian, make sure you put a space.
Relax.
Might make a noise.
Let's hide behind him. That's fireworks.
up now. Yeah, the last one was amazing. That was worth it.